How can we join two text values in Power Automate desktop? Let's assume I have two variables, my first name and last name, and I want to create my full name as Mutturaj Subbayan, for example. And to do this, let's assume you have created a flow without the PowerFX. In that case, we will be using it with a simple join. You will see how we can do it. And the same thing, if you have created your flow with PowerFX, then you have other options too. The first option is concatenating or joining two strings using the ampersand symbol that we will see. And similarly, you have an exclusive function to join two or multiple texts using a function called concatenate. It's a PowerFX formula. You will see that too in this exercise. Let us create a new flow called concatenate string without PowerFX, and we are not enabling PowerFX over here. Let me create my first variable and call it first name, and the value is Mutturaj. Let me create another variable, last name, and make it Subbayan. And we need to combine these two and produce a new variable. I created a new variable called full name, and what all I am going to do is I will be selecting my first name, and then I will leave one space and select the next variable, last name. That's it. If I run this flow, it has produced my full name as Mutturaj Subbayan. It is as simple as this. If you have multiple other things to combine, that also can be done. If I want to add some more text, I give a space and say, and I am from Bangalore. If I run, I will get the complete value combining multiple text, whether it is a variable or whether it is a plain text. In the similar way, let us create another flow with PowerFX. I created a new flow called concat string with PowerFX and enabling PowerFX. And we need to find the difference between how we have combined the string without PowerFX and how we are going to combine the string with PowerFX. There are differences which you need to note. Let me create my first variable, my first name, which is Mutturaj, and I can copy the same thing over here and paste it. This is one easy shortcut. And I will change it to last name and Subbayan. Let me copy this action again and call it full name. And if I use the same method what I have done for the flow without PowerFX, let's see what happens. I select my first name, then I give a space, then I give a last name. First of all, it is coming as one single string, and if I run, it will give an error. So what is the best way to do? I can give that is equal to, I can select my first name, and then I can use an ampersand symbol and select the last name. Now I have not given a space in between. Let us see how it works. So it has come with my full name without a space between the first name and last name. So how can I give a space for here? For that, what I need to do, I need to use an ampersand and a double quote, give a space, another double quote, and add another ampersand and save. And now if I run, the same way what we get the result in the flow without PowerFX, I get the result with PowerFX too. If I have to do the same thing as I am from Bangalore also, give an ampersand, open a quote, give a space, close the quote. You see the color differences too over here. And now if I run, you get the result. Okay. So what is the third way? See, the ampersand, it works well in most of the cases. But if you are concatenating multiple text, concatenate means combining. If you are combining multiple text values using ampersand, then managing that particular value is going to be very difficult. And there are scenarios where if you have to create an XML or a JSON in a later stage when the flow is becoming complex, then there are chances that it may create some errors. So there is an alternative, that is, instead of using ampersand, you can use a inbuilt function called concatenate. But for all general purposes, for simple usage and other thing, you don't need to use that particular formula. You can straight away go with a simple ampersand. Okay, let us see how we can do that. Let me create another one variable. I call it as full name with concat function. For that, let us try to use that formula. I will go for the formula selection bar. I will go to the text, and if I see here in the list, I find a formula called concatenate. And to see what are all the options it has, you just remove this bracket and open the bracket, and if you see, there are multiple options for you to use the concatenate function. But everything is same, but it has an option. It says that you can give more number of parameters. In our case, it may be the first name is one parameter and the space is another parameter and the last name is another parameter. So I am selecting my first name. Either I can use the variables over here and select the first name, and then I give a comma, then I need a space in between. So I open a double quote and a space, and I close the double quote, and then I am selecting my last name. So for that, I am not going to use the variables selection. I just type last and it gives me the last name as an option, and I close it. And now if I run, if I see my full name with concatenate function, it gives the result for us. As we have seen in my previous example, if you want to add some more text, you can simply go for another comma over here and open a double quote, give a space and say, and I am from Bangalore. So you can go to any number of variables or text which you can combine or concatenate. Let us look at another how to example in the next video.